What's up, y'all? I'm getting ready to do some lemon pepper wings in the air fryer. This is everything you're gonna need. Some cooking spray, salt, pepper, adobo, some lemon pepper seasoning, a fresh lemon, your chicken, and that good old air fryer. Let's get started. Okay, so I cut that lemon in half. I'm gonna get some lemon juice on here first. I'm gonna save the other half for later. Gotta have fresh lemon juice with lemon pepper wings. Alright, now we're gonna season. Okay guys, I got a little bit of foil in the bottom part of it. Put the basket in. Give it a good spray. Alright, now just start loading your chicken in there. And I like the tips on mine, but that's optional. Just get as many as you can in there. Okay guys, now we're going to get these into the air fryer. Alright, so we're going to put it on chicken. We're going to turn the temp up to 400. And we're going to put these on 23 minutes. So we got 10 minutes left. Let's see what we got. We got so far. I'm gonna give these a spray before I flip them over. Let these go a couple more minutes and then I'll flip them. Okay, we got 5 minutes left. I'm gonna see what we got. Now I'm going to turn these over and let them cook for the last 5 minutes. Alright guys, I got them flipped over. Now I'm going to let them cook for the last 5 minutes. Okay guys, the wings are ready. Let's get them plated up. Alright guys, so we're going to take the other half of that lemon we had and we're going to hit these with some fresh lemon juice. Give them a toss. These are now ready to serve. I'm gonna give them a quick taste. And as you can see, they are crispy. They are fully cooked. See? My kids are ready to eat, guys. So I gotta go. But I wanna thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one.